Have you ever wondered how critical document sharing is in the world of SEO? In the vast, intricate universe of search engine optimization, numerous strategies are employed to enhance visibility and improve rankings. One such powerful tool, often overlooked, is document sharing. Yes, you heard it right. The simple act of sharing documents can significantly boost your SEO game, and here's why. Firstly, document sharing provides an avenue for disseminating valuable content, which can lead to increased organic traffic. Whether it's an infographic, a research paper, or a straightforward PDF, sharing these documents on the right platforms can attract the right audience. This audience is the one that's genuinely interested in your content, and therefore more likely to visit your website, leading to higher traffic and improved search engine rankings. Secondly, document sharing goes hand in hand with link building, a cornerstone of SEO. By embedding links into your shared documents, you're creating opportunities for backlinks, especially when your content is high quality and relevant. This not only increases your website's visibility, but also enhances its credibility in the eyes of search engines. Additionally, document sharing can contribute to your domain authority. Domain authority, for those who may be unfamiliar, is essentially a measure of how likely your website is to rank on search engine result pages. The more high-quality documents you share, the more inbound links you get, which in turn positively impacts your domain authority. But remember, the key to effective document sharing lies in the quality and relevance of the content you're sharing. It's not enough to simply share a document. It must provide value to your audience, be relevant to your field, and be optimized for SEO. So whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or a beginner just dipping your toes into the vast ocean of SEO, harnessing the power of document sharing can give you a significant edge in this competitive landscape. In essence, document sharing is not just a strategy but a necessity in today's SEO landscape. Now that you grasp the importance of document sharing in SEO, how can you implement it effectively? Let's delve into the basics of document sharing in SEO. First, let's talk about the types of documents you can share. These can range from PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, white papers, case studies, to ebooks. Each of these document types serves a different purpose and can target different segments of your audience. For instance, a detailed ebook might appeal to individuals who are looking for in-depth information, while a concise case study might attract those who prefer a quick read. Now, where should you share these documents? There are several platforms available, with the most popular being Google Docs, SlideShare, and Script. These platforms are not only user-friendly, but they also have a high domain authority, which can boost your SEO ranking. Remember, the goal is to share your documents where your audience is likely to find them. Next, let's discuss how to optimize these documents for SEO. The first step is to ensure that your documents are keyword-rich. This means including relevant keywords in the document title, description, and content. However, be careful not to overdo it, as keyword stuffing can lead to penalties. Secondly, make sure your documents are easily readable and accessible. This includes using clear and concise language, breaking down complex information into digestible chunks, and using headers and bullet points for easy navigation. Finally, don't forget to include backlinks in your documents. These can lead readers back to your website, increasing your site's traffic and potentially improving your SEO ranking. Just as important as creating and sharing the document is tracking its performance. Use analytics tools to measure metrics like views, shares, and downloads. This data can provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to tweak your strategy for better results. Mastering the basics of document sharing is the first step towards unlocking its full SEO potential. By understanding the types of documents, where to share them, and how to optimize them, you'll be well on your way to leveraging document sharing for your SEO strategy. Ready to dive into the practical side of document sharing in SEO? Here's a step-by-step guide. Let's start with creating SEO-friendly documents. First off, ensure that your document is packed with valuable information. It's not just about the keywords, it's about offering something useful to your audience. This is the core of SEO. Next, incorporate keywords strategically. Don't just stuff them in, they need to fit naturally within your content. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords for your content. Also, remember to include keywords in your document title and meta description. The third step involves formatting your document in a way that's easy to read and navigate. Break your content into smaller sections with subheadings. Use bullet points or numbered lists where appropriate. Also, include images, infographics, or videos to make your document more engaging. Now let's talk about choosing the right platform for sharing your documents. There are several options available, such as Google Docs, Dropbox, and SlideShare. Consider factors like user base, ease of use, and SEO capabilities when making your choice. Remember that each platform has its own set of rules and guidelines for document sharing. Be sure to familiarize yourself with these to avoid any potential issues. For example, SlideShare allows you to share presentations, infographics, and documents, while Google Docs is great for collaborative work. Once you've uploaded your document, it's time to promote it. Don't just upload and forget. Share your document on your social media channels, send it to your email list, or include it in your blog posts. The more visibility your document gets, the more valuable it will be for your SEO. Consider also using paid promotion to boost your document's visibility. Platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn offer paid promotion options that can help your document reach a wider audience. Another effective strategy is to engage with your audience. Encourage them to share your document with their networks. Respond to their comments and questions. This not only boosts your document's visibility but also builds a relationship with your audience, which is invaluable for your brand. Finally, track your document's performance. Use analytics tools to see how many people are viewing, downloading, or sharing your document. This data will give you insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to make necessary adjustments to your strategy. With these steps, you are well equipped to leverage document sharing for your SEO efforts. As with any SEO strategy, there are pitfalls to avoid in document sharing. Are you aware of what these are? One common mistake many make is sharing non-optimized documents. It's not enough to simply upload and share a document. It needs to be optimized for search engines. This means incorporating relevant keywords into the document title, description, and content. It's also vital to use clear, descriptive language that accurately reflects the content of the document. If your document isn't optimized, it's like a signpost in the desert. No one will find it. Another common error is using the wrong platforms for document sharing. Not all platforms are created equal when it comes to SEO. It's essential to choose platforms that are recognized by search engines and have a high domain authority. Sharing documents on a platform that search engines don't recognize or value can be a waste of time and resources. Perhaps the most overlooked mistake is neglecting to promote shared documents. Uploading a document is just the first step. To maximize visibility and SEO value, it's important to actively promote the document. This can be done through social media, email newsletters, or linking to the document from relevant blog posts or pages on your website. If you don't promote your document, it's like throwing a party without sending out invitations. Nobody's going to show up. And finally, don't forget to monitor your document's performance. SEO isn't a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. By regularly checking how your shared documents are performing, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make necessary adjustments. Ignoring this step is like driving with your eyes closed. You won't know if you're heading in the right direction or about to crash. By sidestepping these common mistakes, you can ensure your document sharing efforts yield the desired SEO results. It's not always easy, but with careful planning and execution, document sharing can be a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key points about document sharing and SEO. Remember, document sharing is a significant part of any SEO strategy. It helps to increase visibility, drive traffic, and improve rankings by spreading quality content across various platforms. Understanding the basics is crucial. It's all about creating engaging, relevant content and sharing it on the right platforms. These may include document sharing sites, social media, and your own website. We've walked you through a step-by-step guide from creating your document to optimizing it with SEO-friendly elements, and finally sharing it correctly. Avoid common mistakes like ignoring the importance of original content, neglecting document optimization, and underestimating the power of the right sharing platforms. Keep these key takeaways in mind, and document sharing will become a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal.